Oh, use your two hands. Both hands. Yes, that's correct. Nita wins. The other hand, the other hand. Wow, be careful.
Let's go to come on. Use your two hands like this time.
Marunong na siya. Oh, like Tita Marilyn, no? You follow Tita Marilyn. Okay, you ready? Get set, go! Go, go, Nathan, go, go. Use your both hands. Both hands, use it. Wow, your hands, your right hand. Use your right hands, Milab. Use your right hand. Yes, that's correct. Tuhan gawa, baby. Very good. Who wins? Who wins? Who wins? Faster, faster. Use your right hand. Wow. And the winner is Nathan. Yay! Great job. Marunong na siya, no? Grabe, baby. Galing.